Hey there everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I will tell you how to fix heating issues on iPhone after 17.4.1 update. So guys, many iPhone users are complaining about after updating to the latest version of iOS 17, which is 17.4.1, they are facing an issue of heating. That their iPhones are heating too much and they don't know how to fix this issue. But guys, don't worry, I have got your back. Today in this video I will tell you how to fix heating issues on your iPhones. So guys, without wasting your time, let's start the video. Our first step is to remove iPhone case. If your iPhone is in a case, remove it. Some cases can trap heat, causing the device to overheat. Remove the case, allows better airflow around the phone. Then you have to do is simply keep iPhone cool. Avoid exposing your iPhone to direct sunlight or hot environments from prolonged periods. High temperature can cause the overheating issues. So guys, after this, then you have to do is simply close your background apps. Close any unnecessary app running in the background, like the multiple apps running in the background. Then you have to do is simply close them all like this. After this, then you have to do is simply restart your iPhone. Sometimes restarting your iPhone can fix these type of issues. To restart your iPhone, you have to open the settings and scroll down and tap on General. Again, you scroll down and then tap on Shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. After restarting your iPhone, then you have to do is simply limit your processor intensive task. Avoid running intensive tasks such as gaming or video editing for extended period, especially if your iPhone is already warm. These activities can increase CPU usage and contribute to overheating. After trying these steps and still facing the issue, then you have to do is simply reset your all settings on your iPhone. If the issue persists, you can try resetting all settings on your iPhone. This will revert all settings to their default values, but your data and media will remain intact. To do this, you have to simply open the settings, then scroll down and tap on General. Again, scroll down and then tap on Transfer, Reset iPhone, tap on Reset all settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, these were some simple steps that how to fix iPhone overheating issue on your after iOS 17.4.1 update. If this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.